Hi, I'm Faith Kaiser with Event Tech Pod. Our very special guest today is Florentin of UChop. He's going to show us how to edit down the streams from your events very quickly, get them out on social media before the event has even ended. It's super exciting. So take it away.
The co-founder of UChop, and we're a live event marketing platform. So it's not just about creating the content, it's about getting the content directly to the speakers, but also to see what does, when people engage with this content, what does it give? What happens behind all this great content, and how can it support the growth of the audience, and how can it support the growth in terms of revenue opportunities?
The AV team sometimes waits 6 weeks to send out those videos. So your product is far superior for today's quick social media turnaround.
Absolutely. And there's always like 48-hour window where it's super important to engage with event content. Events have so much energy, and all of that energy dies down a little bit soon after. So it's important to leverage that momentum and engage with individuals when everything is still fresh. So that's what we try to do. Let me take you through the demo. So as I mentioned, I'm Florentin, co-founder of UChop, and we have a live content marketing platform built specifically for events. And today I'm zooming in on our speaker content engine. Let me share my screen here. So every event puts months of effort into finding great speakers, but the moment to walk off the stage, so does their valuable network, including credibility, trust, and reach. Instead, UChop turns your speakers into your most powerful marketing channels, automated, in real time, and with results that you can measure. As you can see here, these are the speakers for this event. Obviously, it goes down to more, and each one is already set up with their preferred delivery channel, SMS, email, whatever they want. Now, let's go into the content studio. This is the fuel of our engine, where AI processes live stream and speaker clips are created. Simply prompt what you're looking for. In this case, give me 2 speaker clips about risk, each of 1 minute, and then it's going to be generated. As soon as it's created.
Wow, that was fast.
It's very fast. And you can go into it, and once it's created, you can basically edit it by selecting this text and updating it.
Okay.
Also, from the 100 plus speakers, facial recognition suggests the most likely. You simply select the most relevant one, and then it's done.
Fantastic. Now, so with facial recognition, I can know which speaker that was,
exactly,
and then send it then to broadcast.
This was the AI version. For the publishers who need full editorial control, we also have a manual process. It's super easy and user-friendly. Just simply search for specific topics. In this case, let's do energy. And once it's selected, you can save the moment. And you also have the ability, in the same way that it happens with the AI version, just to simply collect the text, update it. And as you can see, you even get more text. So if you want to continue reviewing it, it gives you that possibility.
So let me just be clear. If I'm an event planner and I don't know anything about video editing, I can go into this text, almost like it was a Google Doc or a Word document, and highlight the clips that I want to have in my final videos. Is that right?
Absolutely. So even if you beforehand, you already know what type of content you're looking to create, this is going to make it so easy for you to go through hours of content by simply prompting and looking for specific topics or sections that you're already going to be discussed in that time. So it really makes the process much faster.
So much faster. Now, I have one more question for event planners. How easy is this for the AV team to incorporate into their workflow?
So we're basically a plug and play. You send us the live stream that you have to our platform, which enables either yourself or our team to watch the event live, mark up the best moments, and we integrate into your existing workflow. We don't complicate things by making you create something new. And also, if it's not live streamed, you can take a recording and upload it to the platform. You can work on it. So
I see. So if it is live stream and I'm an event planner, I just need my laptop, I log on to you, and I hook that into the feed of the AV guy. Is that correct?
Yes. Okay. So we basically plug it to the live stream of the AV team.
So it's very easy for me. I don't have to think.
No. So we talk to your AV team. We tell them, we give them the specifics in terms of address to send the live stream to, and then everything else is fixed for the setup.
Great.
Now, what I wanted to also highlight, so once this great moment is created and you've sent it for review and it's approved, it goes into the inbox of the speaker. Now, and the moment the email is open, AI tracking kicks in, and that's when all the fun starts, which actually leads us to live ops dashboard. Now, within 30 minutes of stepping off the stage, while they're still pumped, energized from their performance, speakers receive a personalized highlight. So this is the delivery time from stage to inbox. And when it's delivered in the inbox, it's a personalized highlight. There's zero effort from the part of the speaker. It's one-click share, minimal friction.
Amazing.
Now, what you see here, for example, that's the number of people we've been able to activate. 112 out of 135 speakers. That's 83% of your speakers who've downloaded or shared their highlight. We aim to get 100%. And at this activation rate, get more than 80% of your speakers to share it with their network. Now,
so that's potentially, for an ordinary event, tens of thousands of extra people we might not be in contact with who now know about our event. Is that right?
They will know about your event
through the speakers' networks.
Exactly. So the question here actually is, what would happen if we email them a week later?
They wouldn't post to social media because the energy behind the event has died down quite a bit.
That's exactly it. And that's why we often get the point, it's so difficult to get speakers to share. And that's the whole point of it. If it's 1 week later, or even a couple of days later, they're already busy with other priorities.
That's right.
Meaning they don't have the headspace to think about how they're going to post this content. But when it happens immediately, they're in that moment, they're already in the context of the event. So it's much easier to think about how you want to post and how you want to push it out to your own audience.
Agreed.
So the question is, what does 83% activation mean for your event? In this case, it means maybe 2.8 million impressions earned.
Wow.
And this is not from your company's account, but from your speakers' professional networks, organic.
Wow.
Touch points your team can use to drive traffic to your company page. And at the same time, you can see who's publicly engaging with your branded content.
I can see by what title they are.
Yeah, so you can, it depends on how you want us to set up the dashboard, but basically we can give you visibility on who's engaging. So these are the peers and followers of your speakers, your target audience, your sponsors' target audience. And we give you the name, company, seniority, all relevant public information that can be shared with you.
Wow.
Now, reaching millions is one thing. Knowing who they are and whether they're your target audience, that's where the money is.
That's golden.
Absolutely. If you want to see what UChop could do for you or for your next event, send me a DM on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to walk you through. Let me quickly show you my LinkedIn profile.
Excellent.
So, Florentin Ngabitsinze, for all those who need to spell my last name.
I love the name. It's very melodic.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sounds like music when you say it.
Thank you, Faith.
Hi, this is Faith Kaiser of Event Tech Pod and Event Nation. We hope you enjoyed another episode of AI demos of the latest in event technology. It's super exciting what's happening in the events industry, and we're all getting educated together and we're better together. Our software strips out the private data from hotel event contracts, flags issues, lets you choose which issues are important to you, and returns a marked up copy of the PDF all within minutes. We hope you'll visit us at eventnation.com and also visit our very special guest, Florentin, at UChop.com. Thank you.